Guys, 2016 Subaru. I want to say Outback. I'm going to show you how to do the rear struts, all right? Real quick. So come on, let's get it. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. No Diddy. You know how it goes. Let's get it. Stu. Boom. What you got to do first is remove everything from the back, from the trunk. All right. Now you see these things. You're going to see a clip over here. Remove that. Put it to the side. Put it to the side. Now this plastic right here. We're going to remove this plastic. All right. So here you're gonna suppose it 2 bolts for the struts. All right. Same on the other side. You can loosen now. It's fine. All right. I'm gonna do 14 millimeters. Okay, both sides. I mean, you gotta change both, right? Now we're gonna go to the bottom. Pause. Since we're here, let's remove the tires. Where's that? 19 millimeter. It happens so it's stuck. So I wanna do some magic. All right. How you see this guy? It's rusty. It's rusty. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Hopefully I don't burn the brake cable. You know, the brake hose. This is why this thing, the hot rod, is very, very useful. All right. I need to remove this bolt. 12 millimeter. There you go. Gucci. You see? Very good thing about this. There you go. We'll remove this. All right. We have more leverage now. On this baby, 17 here. This one doesn't have a link, so don't worry about it. 17, 17, 17 here, 17 here. All right. Gonna need this to push this. Okay. Now we're gonna pry it down. We got this guy. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay. Now it will be better if you remove these clips. So you put plastic to the side. This one, this one. There's another one over here. Right here. All right. Let me see if I have the angle. All right. I'm gonna put a bar through here, like this. Here. Pry it down, like so. Okay. Move this plastic to the side. Okay. This one just align it, push it up. Like so. All right. You get the idea. I'm gonna use this. Where's that flat screwdriver right here? There you go. put it in. Gucci. Put the nut back. Tied it. 17, 17. All right. Now we're gonna go to the top and tied it. This is really good though. It helps a lot. Put the nuts. Tied it. You know how it goes. I assume that's 14. No, these are 15. I mean, in this case, for this one, maybe the brand you get is bigger post and it's a bigger socket. All right, it's 15. I got the 15. It's tight as nugget. It's pretty good. Now put everything back. Plastic and all that. What is this? Oh. There you go. There you go. This guy's back. Like so. Okay. Okay. That's it. All right. Don't forget to put the clips back. You know. Everything go in reverse. Once you install it, everything go in reverse. Don't forget this guy right here. You know what I'm saying? Everything's Gucci. Oh, guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. I do the real struts on this Subaru. This baby has 84,000 miles. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe, like, share buttons. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to everybody. Love you. Catch me in the next one. It's me, Subaru Audi.